going to show you exactly how I help women lose 30 to 50 pounds in about 16 weeks without losing their curves and without spending countless hours in the gym. We combat menopause, balance their PCOS, and manage their hormones properly in order for them to regain the energy they need and to boost their metabolism. But first, I need to tell you who this program is for. This is for high-earning women working 40 to 60 hours per week in a corporate career, ages about 30, 40, or 50 years old. If that sounds like you, then this program is for you. Now, this program is not for anyone who just wants tips and tricks or has not excelled in their corporate career or who doesn't understand that their health is their wealth. My program has helped clients like Janae, who is a college professor. She is focused on shaping the minds of our youth and finally wanted to put herself first by losing the body fat and building muscle. Or my client Tina, who is a retired leadership role. She didn't think she can lose the weight because of her age. Or my client Shanika, who just wanted to fit comfortably in a pair of jeans. She was able to lose 30 pounds in 90 days. And last, my client Danielle, who wanted a flatter stomach. In just 90 days, she was able to lose 34 pounds and watch the belly fat melt away. Over the years, I've learned the common issue is most women don't know how to lose fat and build muscle simultaneously. Knowing how to do that allows you to get results in a shorter period of time. So here's what you get. First, nutrition. I'm going to help you understand what foods you need to implement into your eating lifestyle in order to boost your metabolism and restore your energy. This way you're able to burn fat and build muscle at the same time. What times to eat, what meals and recipes to consume, your macros and calories are all going to be done for you and your lifestyle. Adjustments will be made every single week to keep the progress going. But I want to teach you these things, not just give you the work. 2, accountability and communication. As a coach, I'll have access to a lot of things. Your heart rate, your steps, your log in, log off times. I want to see this information to fully understand how your life is set up so that I can create the best plan to transform your body. This is also going to allow me to hold you to a higher standard of accountability. With communication, you're able to send video messages to your coach. This way we can talk back and forth and have dialogue rather than an assistant or a bot doing that for me. 3 is our Zoom and prayer calls. That's super important that you're aligned with the community so that you don't feel like you're alone and that you have the actual support that you need to regain your confidence and your courage when it comes to your fitness. This also allows me to shift your mindset. These Zoom calls are going to be paired with accountability for check-ins every single week. Each check-in will not be the same, and yes, you'll be given homework. So the system I Declare Curves was designed by someone who's walked in the same footsteps you're currently walking in. My name is Nisha Curves, and I'm an online fitness coach and a fat loss specialist. I help women transform their minds as well as their bodies. I've worked in corporate America for about 9 years as a financial analyst, juggling the lifestyle of being a wife, mom, and trying to pour into myself. One thing I did not want is to look in the mirror and not recognize who I saw anymore. I understand exactly how it feels to pour in someone else's cup and not have any left over for yourself. This is why I teach the process to help you keep the weight off long term. This program isn't just built for you, it's designed by someone who understands the lifestyle you're currently living. Now, I've told you who I am and what I do for others, and you're probably wondering how you're going to fit this into your lifestyle. Now, if you're ready and you're at that point where you're finally ready to put yourself first, invest in your health, and lose the body fat for good, go ahead and click the link below, fill out the form, and I can see if I'm able to help you.